In this video, let's see how do 2-inch wheel spacers work.
2-inch wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality 2-inch wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. 2-inch wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using 2-inch wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good 2-inch wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of 2-inch wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 25mm to 50mm. BONOSS 2-inch wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality material are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional 2-inch wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged FT cooling 2-inch wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of FTD dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of 2-inch wheel spacers. These notches act as agitators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling 2-inch wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for sharing. Have a great day.